Hi, today for the Oppo A78 5G, and I'll show you how to add and remove home screen widgets on this device. So first, let's open the home screen and just hold for a while the device home screen with the finger, and then you'll see here the widgets icon. Here you will see all of the available applications which widgets you can add. Just to add the calendar schedule, for example, tap once on the icon, and now we can see that the widget successfully added to our home screen. To move widget here on the screen or between the screens, we should just hold it and drag it. To resize the widget, hold it for a while, and after that we can make it bigger or smaller. And to resize it or remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap to remove icon, then tap to remove widget. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.